We just finished a light week of trading, but looking ahead to next week, we have plenty to keep our eyes on. Andrew, what are you watching?
So I think the big data point next week is going to be the August jobs report on Friday morning. It's going to be our last employment report we get before the big Fed meeting on September 18th. And especially after we saw GDP revised up significantly this week, it's going to be a major key into if the Fed is actually going to start tapering its bond purchasing program this September.
Yeah, and as far as earnings are concerned, breakout stocks portfolio company Infoblox, they're going to report earnings next Thursday after the close. These guys basically manage complex network systems. Expectations are very high going into the quarter. The stock has doubled this year so far. And if you take a look at the option market, though, they're not too worried. They think this is going to be a good earnings report.
We're also going to get a handful of retailers reporting on Thursday. And so far, it's been a pretty mixed bag in their reports. A lot of the teen retailers have been considerably weak, saw big declines. And then in contrast, this week we saw a couple of names spike, such as Express and Chico's, and a lot of this was probably due to their declines heading into the print. Following those reports, we think that the expectations for the retailers still remain lower than they were previously, which could provide a potential for some upside surprises.
Yeah, and it'll be important because August is that all-important back-to-school season for retailers. Those are some of the things we're looking at in the week ahead. This is Andrew Krill, and I'm Lindsey Bell. Have a happy Labor Day weekend.